These golden fries don't come from a kitchen. They come from machines like these.
Every second, thousands of potatoes are transformed into perfect frozen fries.
From muddy potatoes to export-ready fries, this is food manufacturing at scale.
It all starts here, in Telesno. Tons of fresh potatoes arriving every hour.
High-pressure washing removes soil and impurities completely.
Smart sensors instantly reject damaged or low-quality potatoes.
These machines peel thousands of potatoes every minute.
After peeling, potatoes are washed again for food safety.
Precision blades cut each potato into uniform fries. Only perfectly sized fries move forward in the process.
Blanching improves texture and prepares fries for frying. Moisture is removed to ensure perfect frying results.
This is where fries get their famous golden color. Excess oil is removed for better taste and quality. Instant freezing locks in freshness and crunch.
Every degree is controlled to protect product quality.
Each pack is weighed with extreme precision.
Fully automated machines seal fries for global markets. Each French fries packet is printed with its retail price and batch details.
Labeled packets are automatically packed into cartons for delivery.
Finished products wait in cold storage before shipping.
These fries are shipped across the world.
From factory floors to restaurants worldwide.
And that's how frozen French fries are made.